Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming eligibility and why that matters. If the merchant hasn't shipped, cancellation is usually straightforward. Open the merchant order page and the Afterpay app, match the order number. Contact the merchant first and request cancellation. This stops fulfillment and triggers a refund flow. If the merchant confirms cancellation, note the timestamp and any confirmation code. Once done, log into Afterpay to see the pending cancellation and prepare to adjust or pause upcoming payments while you track the refund status. Next, you handle the detailed process. If the merchant agreed, verify they issued a refund to Afterpay and request written proof. Make sure to update Afterpay via the app or support chat with the merchant confirmation so payments can be adjusted. If the merchant refuses, escalate. Open an Afterpay dispute and upload your communication and order receipt. Keep a clear timeline. Most refunds post in 5 to 14 business days. Meanwhile, monitor upcoming installment dates and note any temporary balance changes. Finally, confirm the cancellation completed and why it's closed. Check Afterpay and your bank statement to ensure the refund hit and any future installments were removed or reduced. If you don't see the refund within the expected window, escalate with Afterpay support, supplying merchant confirmation and timestamps. Ask for a formal case number. If problems persist, contact your card issuer to dispute the charge using the merchant evidence. Make sure to document each step so you can resolve any lingering payment or credit issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.